Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Forex Success. This is our stepping the strategy. As you can see, stepping the strategy. I'm trading stepping this now using the stepping the strategy. So, guys, as you can see, the strategy it's paying and it's working. You can see on profit of $30 trading stepping this. Look at the conditions. Remember, who said that the moving average has to cross below the green line. So right now I'll be taking my profit here, and we said take profit the moment it's get to 50 or it gets to the 80 level, the overbought level. So checking the 5 minute time frame, it's still on a buy, but the indicator, yeah, okay. So guys, for the 1 minute time frame which we're using to trade, I'm about to take profit right now, guys, for this trade. So, but quickly, let me show you how I entered this trade. Checking the conditions for the strategy, the blue moving average has to cross below this green line, below the chart. Condition 1, then condition 2, it's that the yellow moving average has to be above the red moving average. Then the condition 3 is that this moving average should be at the oversold level for a buy position. So, and $36 profit currently, and you should take profit when the moving average gets to the 30 level or at the 50 level. So usually I take mine on the 50 level, but right now I'm going to take profit now, so just to be safe, and take profit now for this trade. So let me check my profit on $10. Okay, taking profit. Yeah, I'm taking my profit for the trade, guys. So guys, to taking our profit on $10. Yeah, okay, it's still buying, but I'm taking profit. This is on $11 currently. Profit on $10. So stepping this is about to return. It's about to make a pullback. But guys, we made profit from this trade, yeah. Checking the 1 minute. Okay, I've closed this trade also. So guys, this is stepping this trading. You can see to the profit trading stepping this, we end up making $33 profit using our stepping the strategy. This is for you to know that the strategy is very powerful. Okay, how to use the strategy? You wait for this blue moving average to cross below the chart, then the yellow moving average should be above the red moving average. You can see it's the buying. Then this indicator, the red and blue moving average, should be at the oversold level, which is from the 20 below. For the oversold level, that's how you should get a buy entry. But for a sell entry, you wait for the blue moving average to be at the overbought level. Yeah, the blue moving average to be at the overbought level. Then the red moving average should be above the yellow moving average, and this should be at the overbought. The red and blue indicator moving average should be at the overbought level. So you can see all three conditions are met, and then what God is saying. So the strategy is very powerful. You can use this to make money, as you can see on this account, the live account. So we made profit of this. So all you have to do to make $300 in a day is to wait for this signal. Wait for this. Once you get this, depends on your lot size, you can make over $300 per day using the strategy. So if you get this just trade like this 3 times, you have $300 plus profit. So this is how you do this trading. Step in this powerful strategy to make money. So these are the indicators. We'll have the moving average. The first indicator is the moving average, which is period 3, the shift zero method exponential apply to close the start 3 pixel, the levels you click down. The next indicator is the moving average. This time period 60, shift zero method simple. So you can take a screenshot of it so you can set it later on your MT5. Apply to close the start 3 pixel. You can use same color for better understanding. You click done. So guys, the next indicator is also moving average. The period 7, shift 0 method simple. Apply to close the start 2 pixel. You take color red, you click down. The next indicator is the stochastic. The stochastic oscillator for the K period use 1, D period 1, the slowing 1, and the price feed low slash high. The method simple, then main 1 pixel, signal 1 pixel. Use the color of your screen. If your screen is black, you can use black. For the levels 20, 50, and 80. To add the levels, simply click on this edit button. You add the levels, impute the figure. For the first one 20, second one 50, and the third 80. The 20 is the overbought level, while the 80 is the oversold level. Then guys, you go back and click down. Okay, so you can see it's coming down, it's selling again. So we took profit, then you're safe. Don't be greedy to leave your trade, guys. Don't be greedy to leave your trade. All you need to do is take profit as soon. Usually you can take your profit from the 50 level, or you can keep it up to this point, or once you notice it's about to start selling, when it's close to the 80 level, you take your profit. And especially if you find out that the 5 minute time frame is not also in conclusion with it. Look at the 1 minute, the blue moving average is crossing below the chart, but the 5 minute is crossing above the chart. So you should take profit on these trades once you notice it's about to pull back. So that's it. The next indicator is the Ichimoku. The Ichimoku, the taken scene is 9 pixel. Kijun scene, you set it to 9. Circle span 52. Then for the taken scene, you take a 4 pixel. Use the color blue for better understanding. The Kiju scene 1 pixel. The Kumo, the up Kumo 1 pixel, down Kumo 1 pixel, and the Chico span 1 pixel. All of them should be on the color of your screen, using blue as the color of the taken scene, just for better understanding, so you can compare yours to mine, so you understand it better. So you can take a screenshot to know how to set your indicators well. And also there is a video on the link of step index, so it is well explained there. It is well explained there in details how to set your indicators for the step index, how to trade step index using this powerful strategy. So click on that video to watch it. Okay, then you click down. The last indicator is the moving average. The period is 3, the shift 0 method exponential apply to previous indicator data. The start 3 pixel, then you click down. So that's it. You can see that, guys. Step index, we're trading and we're making on it. So it's about to start a buy again, but you don't enter. You wait for a perfect entry just like this, and you keep on making. You can make money, guys, using the strategy. It's very powerful. It's very powerful. I just keep on showing you examples, showing you how it works, just to keep you encouraged. So if in case you use your phone, you should always know that you shouldn't give up. You should just keep practicing the strategy. Yeah, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be notified each time I drop a new video. So thanks guys for watching and for subscribing.